Hi guys! In today's video I am showing you how can you convert your image into a video in Leonardo. The process will be quite simple and easy. So we are on the home page of Leonardo. From here, create a prompt by tapping on this image generation and create your prompt from here. Once your prompt will be created in Leonardo, tap on this option motion. Once you will tap on the option motion. Also tap on the option select an image. So these are my created prompt. From here, I will select this one. After selecting, tap on the option confirm, and here you will see the option motion strength. You can adjust this by yourself, but the 5 was suggested by the Leonardo, so I will let it be as it was. After this, you will see the option generate. Tap on this one. So it starts processing, and it will take a while, and once the processing will be completed, we will take a look on our video. So the processing has been completed. And if I tap on this one, so you can see the Leonardo has added motion in my prompt. And it looks amazing. And if I tap on the option download MP4, then this video will be downloaded to my PC. So by using this method, you can turn your prompt into a video.